Well, definitely there's everywhere in the world is different ways of doing things, but at the end is building, and building is a very universal language. And I think what we can export is those ideas and strategies behind, not so much the way it's built or the way it's even used. It's the strategies, I think. And sometimes it's good to have this outside view, because you are able to give an input that it's not normally seen in the context. And the same way, the other way around, no? You learn so much from that experience that it's never possible to understand everything that you are completely doing. So that in a way, it's also very informative and formative. It's very challenging, but it's also very informing a lot of the rest of the work, no?